Okay. What shape is this, Kanzah?
Oval.
Oval, okay.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Hello, Kanzah Muntaha.
Hello.
Today I'll give you the shapes and animal challenge.
Yes.
Do you-
so excited.
Okay, Kanzah Muntaha. So this is round 1. Okay. So now this is the animals with the different shapes. Okay.
Okay.
So are you guys ready
Yes.
to do the challenge?
Yeah.
Go. One by one.
Half circle.
Okay.
Is it half circle? Oval.
Oval.
Half oval.
This.
Oval. This is oval.
Okay. Where you have to put?
Here.
Okay, good. And Muntaha, where you have to put?
Here.
Very good.
This is the faster one. Spike.
Okay. Which shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. Where you have to put it?
Here.
Very good.
What is this? From here, right?
Yes. Which shape is this?
Here. Rectangle.
Yes, very good. Circle, very good.
Triangle.
Where you have to put?
Dish.
Okay.
And what is so sticky glue?
Now this is, which shape is this?
Is rectangle.
Rectangle, good. Where we have to put? Where we have to put? Yes, okay. This shape, Mr.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Here.
Yes. Which shape?
This here. Triangle.
Yes, triangle.
What you said, the triangle? Triangle. A triangle. A triangle. And her last face
Muntaha is gonna be winning. What is this? Which shape is this, Kanzah?
is half circle.
Yes, very good. And which shape is this, Muntaha?
Oh, that what I'm calling oval.
Oval.
Nice done.
Okay, you have to complete it. Which shape is this now you are sticking?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Medal.
So done. Medal is ready and
Dinosaur.
dinosaur is also ready. But so the winner is of this round. Muntaha. Very good. Clap yourselves, guys. Yes. Now the second one. Go.
Circle.
Okay.
Triangle.
Okay.
It's too easy, right? Let's go. Hurry.
Which shape? Which shape?
Triangle.
Good.
Triangle.
Very good.
Hurry. Hurry, please. Hurry. Triangle. Triangle.
Kanzah done. Yes, Kanzah done.
Dragon.
Okay. In this round, Kanzah is the winner. So overall, it's a draw. Yes, both are the winner. Do you like the challenges?
Yay!
Do you want to do more?
Yeah.
In the next video, we will do more. Okay?
Yeah. Bye. You like my channel and video, subscribe and like. You like my channel and